said, the entertainer on the set of The Neighborhood. Hey, shout out to the Yummy Brothers sending these great cookies, man. Delicious. Yummy Brothers, Atlanta, Georgia. Y'all get down, baby.
Yes, indeed. From celebrities like Cedric the Entertainer, T.I., and Tiny to Atlanta locals, our next guests are responsible for a cookie craze that cannot be stopped. So how are the baking skills of these 4 kids attracting national attention? Well, we thought we'd find out in our segment, In Good Company. Please welcome the Yummy Brothers, Joshua, Isaiah, Caleb, and Micah Billingsley. Welcome, guys. Hello. I am so happy to have you. Okay, let's start by making sure everyone knows how old you are, what roles you play in the company. You start.
My name is Joshua, and I'm 11 years old, and the role that I play is CEO, also known as Chief Executive Officer.
Yes.
So I make sure everything is going smooth and moving like a well-oiled machine.
Yes, indeed. How about you, my friend?
My name is Caleb, and I am 7, and I do quality control, and COO is Chief Operating Officer.
Yes, indeed. Such a vital, critical role. And how about you, my friend? How old are you?
My name is Micah, and I'm 5.
And
my role is the taste tester.
The taste tester?
And I'm the Chief Operating.
He's the Chief Financial Officer.
The Chief Financial Officer.
Collects the money.
And taste tester. Wow, he wears 2 hats. And finally, how about you?
My name is Isaiah, and I'm 9 years old, and my role in the company is CMO, which stands for Chief Marketing Officer.
Fantastic. Well, congratulations, guys. Everybody is just ranting and raving of these cookies. I can't wait to try them. But how did it all get started? Who wants to tell me the story of the Yummy Brothers?
Well, how it all got started was our mom taught us how to bake cookies. Then we used to take them to gatherings, and like 5 seconds later, they would be gone. And then other gatherings, they would be like, "Hey man, give me some more. I want some more of these cookies."
Of course.
And then we thought we could start making money off of this.
Right, absolutely. And make it a family business. Now, how long ago was this?
Well, we started on May 14th, 2017.
2017, and you've already had such great success. Now, where do these recipes come from?
Our recipes came from our great-grandmother on our mother's side. So she gave us the original recipes like chocolate chips. So basically our mom taught us the recipes and how to make the cookies.
And let's talk about what you like the most about having your own business. I know you're probably busy with school and other activities, and here you are, these young entrepreneurs. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part about the business is I don't have to work for anybody else when I get grown.
Yes, my husband is his own boss too, and he likes that too. And how about you? Anybody else want to talk about what they love about having their own business?
Actually, what I like about having my own business is that we get to make the cookies, and then it teaches us life lessons like how to keep going after, like, even if people say no the first time, keep going.
Yes, be persistent, absolutely.
And also it's taught us a lot of responsibility too.
Right, I bet. And let's talk about how you want to help other kids follow their passion. That's such a cool idea and such a wonderful gift that you can give to other children. Tell me more about that.
Well, I would tell children you would have to wake up early days and stay up late nights.
Right. Well, exactly. It's not going to be easy. Any other advice?
Also, we have an acronym called CASH. So the K stands for knowledge, A stands for attitude, S stands for skill, and H stands for habits. And the most important one is attitude. And the reason why is because attitude, without having a good attitude while selling your products, then people won't want to buy from you.
Absolutely.
So you always have to have a good attitude while selling your products.
100%, I agree. And let's talk about what we were just seeing, something called the Kidpreneur Expo. Tell me more about that.
Kidpreneur Expo is an online platform that helps other kids to start businesses.
That is incredible. All right, now let's get down to the nitty gritty. What everyone is about to die over are these cookies right here in front of me. Tell me about the flavors that you brought and the flavors that you have. Tell me more.
So the flavors that we brought were, so that one right there, the one with the M&Ms in it,
Yeah.
the colored chocolate, that's M&M chocolate chip.
Got it.
That one right here
That looks
is
like
oatmeal raisin.
Ooh,
and
oatmeal
then
raisin.
there's chocolate chip. And then that one, I think, is peanut butter chocolate chip.
Peanut butter chocolate chip.
The small one.
Well, guys, thank you so much. I so appreciate your time, and best of luck with all of your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys, the Yummy Brothers, reach out to them to learn more about their sweet treats. It is yummybrothers.com. I want to know what's his favorite flavor? You too, because you were the quiet. What's your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle, love that one. How about you?
M&M chocolate chip.
Yeah. M&M chocolate chip? Yeah, I'm with you on that. Thank you guys. I try them all.